we gotta put our boots on, don't forget. And before we put our boots on, we gotta put our plastic sacks. Here we go. I got some bags here because you don't want to be cold, right? So that's how we do it here. You put your plastic bags, put your feet in, shoot. You don't want to take chances, right? Awesome. Okay, then you stuff it in there. You don't want anybody to see it, right? Okay, then I got another bag. It's not that thick. So we go put this one in on this side. There. All right. Okay, so are you ready? Let's go. Hey, we are outside right now. We're in front of our house. And guess what? The traffic is backed up. We're in the middle of a blizzard. It's snowing everywhere. It was completely clear yesterday. Snow, it's raining a bit. Suddenly, a blizzard. Is it the time of the end or what? Are these the signs of the times? Guess what? I'm sure there's going to be so many accidents, so I want to tell everybody, take it easy, don't go too fast, and take your time when you're driving, okay? We don't want any accidents this time. So look at all the traffic backed up. I'm going to cross the street, and I'm going to go to the park and show you what it's all like. This is our house over here. See? All right, so look at all the traffic, and that's our train. All right, I'm going to cross right now. All right, so look at this. This is the park. Oh my God. And guess what? The ducks are still here. They didn't even go to the south. What is wrong here, right? So here we are. Look at our beautiful lake. Isn't it beautiful and gorgeous? Isn't God awesome? Look at this beautiful weather. It's a completely beautiful snow. Wow, look at this. No, gosh, look at this. I just love it. It's so fun. So, do you like my hat? I made this hat just for this time. And guess what? I thought it was going to be all over and that there would be no more snow and then the winter was over. Here we are in the middle of a blizzard. Anyway, you like the color? So look at this. I love the snow. It's so beautiful. I just want to roll all in the snow. Look at this. All right, so we're now in a beautiful park. In this park, there are ducks all year. And they're right there. Can you see them? You can zoom in over there. The ducks love the winter in this place. Did you know that? They don't even go down south. Isn't it beautiful? Look at this. Only happened over a few, like the course of a few hours. It started this morning, like an hour ago. I just got up this morning and it just started raining and then this. And this is awesome. Can you imagine? It's beautiful. See, look at that. Look at the trees. And the snow and everything. Even the ducks are enjoying it. So I just wanted to give you all an idea of what it is like on my side of the world. We're in Germany, and well, the weather's been really crazy. Do you know Christmas was warm? I mean, Christmas, it didn't even snow in Christmas, and now it all comes piling down. The weather is topsy-turvy, all crazy. And yeah, it shows we're living in the time of the end. Woo-hoo-hoo! I hope you enjoyed this little story and this video. We wish you all the best. Keep warm. Go to our website, thecaglefamily.com and montecagle.com, and also Singing to Help. And don't forget, if you want to send help, if you want to send donations, whatever you like, just go to Singing to Help and see all the projects we have. We wish you a warm and beautiful and exciting day. God bless you all, and bye-bye.
Here in Shangri-La, here inside my heart. Here in Shangri-La, here inside my heart. Living a life of love here in paradise. Beauty and joy untold with the truth that never dies. Leave this world behind, come and share the bliss we found. Your life of madness will